Welcome back to the Stumpf Moving Storage YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to pad a dresser properly to make sure it stays safe from damage throughout the entirety of your move. This video comes directly from our new employee training course and is designed to teach our new employees how to professionally pad wrap and protect furniture. If you're not one of our new employees and you're a DIY kind of person watching this on YouTube, by following these simple steps, you'll be able to ensure that your furniture will stay safe from damages throughout the entirety of your move. The first thing you're going to need are 2 moving pads and 2 rubber bands. We're going to use the medium-sized rubber bands because this is a medium-sized piece of furniture. If you don't have rubber bands, a good alternative is packing tape. Professionally, we stay away from movers tape unless we have an awkward piece that requires it. If you have drawers that slide easily, or if you have a glass front that needs cardboard taped around the front of it, which we'll explain in another video how to do and why we do it, using tape just becomes overwhelming and can end up costing a lot of money. If you think about how many rolls of tape you would go through, it's not feasible to continue to operate like that. So we use reusable rubber bands, and they're also eco-friendly. Then you're going to need 2 movers pads. Take one of the moving pads, unfold it, and hold it out in front of you, ensuring that you have the long side horizontal with the dresser you're padding. Bring it around to the front. With the pad outstretched in front of the dresser, it's time to drape it over. We're going to leave some of the pad overhanging, leaving no exposed edges on the bottom. Attention to detail is extremely important. This provides a level of protection and service that other movers don't provide. Taking the second moving pad, stretch it out in front of you, making sure you have the long side horizontal with the piece of furniture. Drape the pad over top. Take the excess moving pad, holding it horizontally with the rest of the pad, then bring it in close to the side of the dresser. Take one of the rubber bands, working around the front and back corner of the left side. Stretch it all the way across to the right side and repeat. Then take the other rubber band and do this for the bottom. The second band keeps the pad nice and tight against the piece of furniture. This particular piece of furniture needed 2 moving pads because of the length. One moving pad would not properly cover both the left and right side. Now, we don't just pad furniture to protect the furniture itself, but we also pad the furniture to protect the house. Pads protect the walls, banisters, and door frames from any damage that could occur when you're moving the furniture in and out of the house, up and down steps, or in and out of tight areas. And just like that, you have a perfectly padded dresser. By doing this, you'll ensure that it stays safe from damage throughout your move. Each piece of furniture is different and unique in its own way. Therefore, every piece of furniture gets pad wrapped in a slightly different way. So, if you're interested in learning more about how other pieces of furniture are wrapped and padded, go ahead and check out our channel playlist dedicated to that topic. You can also subscribe to our channel and give this video a like while you're at it. By subscribing to the channel, you'll be able to stay up to date when we come out with new videos on how to pad things. But we don't just do that. We also bring you a library of content geared around the moving and storage industry. If you'd like to learn more about us and what we do, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Stumpf Moving. And don't forget to check out our website, www.stumpfmovingandstorage.com. There you can learn more about our history as well as our specialties. Until next time, thanks for watching.